Hey guys, Logan here. Welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about M&M's, which came out in 1941. But today we're focusing on a specific flavor, which are peanut butter M&M's, which came out in 1989. Peanut butter M&M's are my favorite type of M&M's, and if you didn't know, M&M's are basically a chocolate candy with a shell wrapped around them. It's like a Hershey's candy, really, but like I said, with the shell wrapped around. And it's a pretty good candy. It's an iconic candy. And my favorite flavor from the M&Ms are the peanut butter. And my parents went to Hy-Vee today because they needed to go shopping. And they got me a bag of the peanut butter M&Ms, which I said are my favorite. And something came to mind today. When you take a bite out of the peanut butter M&Ms, what is the most dominant flavor, which means what flavor am I going to taste the most? So, in a peanut butter M&M, there are three layers to it. Number one is the shell. Number two is like the chocolate, and number three is the peanut butter. So basically, they have like a little chunk of peanut butter, and then they put like a thin layer of chocolate on top, and they basically wrap the shell around it. It's kind of like a Reese's Pieces, really, but the peanut butter is like more creamier and smoother than like the Reese's cups, because the peanut butter on there is kind of rough. Um, so what I want to do is I want to grab the M&Ms, a few M&Ms out of the bag, and what I want to do is I want to crunch on them, basically chew on them. And we want to see which is the most dominant flavor and which is basically the taste I taste the most and which do I really taste first. So we're going to do five M&Ms because we're going to do one out of each color. And what we're going to do is I have this little T-chart here. And what we're going to do is once I eat the M&Ms, we're going to mark down the more dominant from what I taste. Like, for example, if I have one M&M and I eat it and I taste most of the chocolate, I would put a tally mark on that, and then at the end we'll see which has more, and then that should answer our question of which is the most dominant flavor. So I'm gonna get that M&Ms out of the bag. See you then. Alright, so I have grabbed the M&Ms out of the bag. Now, there was a bit of an error. There were not but five colors. There were actually six colors. So we're going to do six of the M&M candies. So, what we're going to do is we're going to take the candies and we're going to eat them. And we're going to figure out what we taste first and what we taste basically the most of. And like I said, I have this tally chart, and I'm going to mark down tally marks to see what I taste the most of. And then I'm going to do that, and then once we're all done, we're basically going to conclude and have a little, discussion. Now, remember, our main goal today is to figure out which is the most dominant flavor, which basically has the most flavor in the peanut butter M&M, which is the shell, chocolate, and peanut butter. So we're going to get straight into this. Let's go. We're going to start out with the green one. Okay, so I first tasted the peanut butter, and I taste most of the peanut butter. Now, we're doing the blue one. I also tasted mostly peanut butter out of that. And I also tasted the peanut butter first. Alright, now we're going to do, I think this is, now we're going to do the orange flavor. Wait. Oh, I won't check some. Did I get the... Hold on, I'm sorry, I gotta get a red flavor here. There we go. Sorry about that, y'all. I made a little bit of mistake here. So now we're going to use the... Oh, frick. Okay, so now we're going to do the red flavor. Let's go. Alright, that time I first tasted the shell, but I still taste most of the peanut butter. Okay, now we're going to do the brown/black flavor. Let's go. Okay. I also tasted the peanut butter on that, and I tasted the peanut butter first. Alright, now we're going to do the yellow one. Now I also tasted mostly peanut butter. Alright, now we're doing the last color, which is the orange flavor. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I also tasted mostly peanut butter with that. Now we're going to conclude. And what I concluded is that the 6 of the M&Ms that I just tasted, they mostly taste like peanut butter. And surprisingly, I didn't really taste any of the chocolate. I did taste the shell. I did taste the peanut butter. I even tasted the shell the first time on one of the M&Ms. But the weird thing is that I never really tasted the chocolate. I never really got a chocolatey flavor out of the M&M, and that makes me really confused. So, to conclude, the peanut butter M&Ms, they mostly taste like peanut butter, and you will sometimes, taste the shell. But if you want there to be peanut butter and peanut butter and chocolate and the peanut butter M&Ms at the same time, you will most likely get scammed because, like I said, I tasted no chocolate and the peanut butter M&M. So that's all we're going to do today. It was nice talking with y'all, and I'm glad I got to do this because peanut butter M&Ms are my favorite candy. One of my favorite candy, and it's a really good candy. And I'm glad we got to experiment on it today, even though I didn't taste any chocolate. But hey, oh well. And yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. Like I said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.